This audio narration explains a trenching or excavation subcontractor safety pre-qualification form. The form is designed to assess a subcontractor's safety capabilities and compliance with regulations before they are pre-qualified for a project. The form is broken down into sections. Section 1 covers company information, requesting the company name, address, phone number, and email address. Section 2 focuses on OSHA compliance. This section asks whether the subcontractor has a written trench and excavation safety program. It also asks if they adhere to OSHA regulations for trenching and excavation safety, specifically 29 CFR 1926.650 through 652. Finally, it asks if they provide safety training to all employees involved in trenching and excavation operations. Section 3 addresses equipment and personnel. This section asks the subcontractor to list the trenching and excavation equipment they own or operate. It also asks if they have experienced and certified personnel for trenching and excavation operations and requests the number of qualified personnel. Section 4 delves into safety practices. This section requests a description of the company's safety practices for trenching and excavation operations, including several critical areas. Firstly, slope angle evaluation and shoring practices. Secondly, soil testing and classification methods. Thirdly, the types of protective systems used, such as shoring or benching. Fourthly, ladder and access or egress procedures. Fifthly, communication and monitoring protocols. Section 5 concerns the emergency response plan. This section asks if the subcontractor has an emergency response plan for trenching and excavation accidents. If yes, it requests a description of the plan, including firstly, emergency contacts, secondly, procedures for evacuation and rescue, and thirdly, medical and first aid protocols. Section 6 addresses insurance and bonding. This section requires proof of insurance with specific coverage limits. Firstly, general liability of $1 million per occurrence and $2 million aggregate. Secondly, workers' compensation with statutory coverage. It also requests proof of bonding. Section 7 focuses on experience and references. This section asks the subcontractor to list previous trenching and excavation projects completed. It also requests references from satisfied clients. Section 8 is the certification section. An authorized officer of the company must certify that the information provided in the form is accurate and complete. They must understand that false or misleading information may result in disqualification from pre-qualification. The form includes spaces for the authorized officer's name, signature, and date. Finally, the form includes a review and approval section. This section indicates that the form will be reviewed by a qualifying entity to determine the subcontractor's safety capabilities and compliance with relevant regulations. Approval for pre-qualification will be granted based on the information provided. The form includes spaces for indicating approval status, yes or no, and any relevant comments. This comprehensive form helps ensure that subcontractors are aware of and compliant with safety regulations, promoting safer trenching and excavation operations.